has a complex water system comprised of monsoon rains, freshwater reservoirs, rivers crisscrossing the country, and a long coastline. India's water resources are under strain with industrial growth and rapid urbanization. India generates 40,000 million litres of sewage per day in urban areas. While untreated sewage poses public health risk, it can also serve as a potential source of water to serve all non-potable needs of industrial and urban areas. 5% of sewage reuse could free up fresh water for more than 3 million homes. Imagine one of the world's leading IT services company using advanced technology to establish leadership in water conservation. Infosys Mysore campus, spread over 337 acres, is one of the most advanced residential training centers.
At Infosys, we believe that India will face a freshwater crisis before it faces an energy crisis. And water is a very key component of our entire sustainability strategy. Initial goal on water was to ensure that we sequester more fresh water into the ground than we actually consume across all our campuses. To do that, what we've done is we've got rainwater harvesting as our main strategy. We've created rainwater harvesting pits around all our buildings. And what we've also done is we've created lakes and ponds which capture all the stormwater runoff into these lakes. But overall, across all our campuses, we've been able to sequester more fresh water into the ground than we actually consume. Besides water conservation, another area that we're really focused on is recycling. We have partnered with GE using very innovative technologies from them, especially their MBR technology, which gives very high quality of water. The water that we get from our recycling plant is used then for flushing, air conditioning. The balanced water that comes out is used for our landscaping purposes. And what we are trying to see is how can we multiply this resource again and again. So water used for human touch purposes goes to our flushing, goes back into the recycling plant, comes back for flushing. And that way we are ensuring that we use less water. Wherever possible, we should not be using fresh water for all our purposes.
At the heart of wastewater reuse is GE's Z-Weed membrane bioreactor technology. Z-Weed MBR combines a biological process with membrane filtration, resulting in high quality of treated water suited for all non-potable reuse applications. With more than 800 installations worldwide, GE's Z-Weed MBR is the leading technology for wastewater reuse.
We at GE Water India represent 170 plus employees. We have a manufacturing facility located just outside Bangalore in Hoskode, where we manufacture water treatment chemicals as well as roll brackish water RO membrane elements. We have a vibrant technology center located in Whitefield, Bangalore with over 5,000 employees, 35 of those who are dedicated to water and research and development in water and innovative technologies. What we do really well is wastewater reuse and recycle and solve some of our customers' toughest to treat process and water challenges. I wanted to take the time to dispel some myths and perceptions about wastewater reuse and recycle. Number one, wastewater reuse and recycle is not expensive. In fact, the cost of recycled water is typically half the cost or less than desalinated water. Number two, wastewater reuse is not operationally challenging. With increasing amounts of automation, wastewater reuse is actually simpler than conventional wastewater treatment. Cost of wastewater reuse for the quality of water produced is actually the lowest, particularly with the use of membrane bioreactor filtration technology. The quality of water produced is suitable for both industrial and non-potable reuse, including washing, gardening, irrigation, HVAC applications, flushing, cooling tower makeup, and process water makeup. Please join us as we join the pioneers and innovators of wastewater recycle and reuse technologies in India. This is going to be a great journey as we increase the amount of wastewater recycle and reuse and fight the problems of water scarcity and impaired water quality.